Hi, Mark from Trail Buddy again. We're going to do a real close-up shot of what we got just so you can get a detail picture. Again, this is TB117, available on our website. What I really wanted to show was the beefiness here compared to an original fork. So I'm going to slide this guy over. We're just going to compare the two a minute. Let's see, do I got the right one? Yep. So you can already see the diameter change in the two lower fork assemblies. Now they make that up in the bushing and the dust cover. So these are unique dust covers for this model. But again, too, everything's all machined. And if we pan up over here to the right, you can see that we've got an oil dampener shock built inside of the assembly versus just a spring. So it's a really cool part. They work really good on the bike. That takes away a lot of slop. It's a lot more confident. So the goal of this one when we were developing this is so you can have an original front fork assembly and maintain the looks and aesthetic, but have an upgraded ride. You can find this part and other parts on mytrailbuddy.com. Thanks.